Ikea store has newly opened in Nagasandra, Bangalore. So, how do we reach this? Nagasandra Bangalore metro station is right next to the Ikea store. So, we can just get down near Ikea store Nagasandra, and if you just walk straight on the right side only, we will come across this Ikea store. This Ikea store is built in 5 acres and it is damn huge. If you are someone who is living nearby to Nagasandra, then you can come by your vehicle also, or your car or your bike or anything. There you can see there is a place for all the vehicles to be parked. And if you're not by vehicle, as I said, you can come through the metro station as well. There's an easy access for the metro station if you're living somewhere in South Bangalore. Ikea stores has been opened in various parts of India, but this is the first Ikea store that has been opened in Bangalore. We'll come up with new videos on the store tour. Keep watching.